All right, so what is the MLS? You should already know what that stands for, multiple listing service. This is what it looks like. So this is the Triad MLS. All right, this is the website, listings, agents, offices, etc. That's what they have access to. Now, if we go to this map, this is going to show you all the different MLSs. All right, so let's, for instance, we're going to zoom in. All those red dots, those are separate MLSs. This is North Carolina. This is where I'm currently located at. Let me zoom in here. Here's Raleigh. Raleigh is Triangle MLS. That's Burlington. That's Almanette's multiple listing service. Here's Greensboro or High Point. It's the Triad multiple listing service. This is out in Brown Summit. This is the High Country Association of Realtors. That's the Yancey Mitchell Board of Realtor multiple listing service. But you get my point, right? So there's a ton of multiple listing services. Now, as an agent, you do not have access to all of these. You only have access to one, and you got to pay for each one of them. So that's the multiple listing service.